I was heartbroken over my sin, and I was confessing these sins. I was declaring the truth, rejecting lies, confessing lies that I used to believe, and I'm doing these steps. And I was I was serious. And when I got done, immediately I get underneath my covers, and I'm in a fetal position. I'm trembling, and I'm in what's called a hierophany, a theologically technical term that means the manifest presence of God. It means the detachment of a territory from the cosmic Mailu, making it qualitatively different, which in layman's terms, it means the manifest presence of God. I didn't see him, but I was in his manifest presence. And the difference between the manifest presence of God and the omnipresence of God, meaning that God is everywhere, that's what omnipresence means. So the difference between the manifest presence of God and omnipresence of God is one you're aware of, one you are not. God, we are in his presence constantly. He crowds the universe and he walks incognito everywhere, and we're unaware of it. But at this moment, he chose to allow me to have a sense of his holiness. Here I am in a fetal position with tears running down my face, and I'm trembling, and all I can say is, holy, holy, holy is the Lord God Almighty. The earth is filled with your glory. Holy, holy, holy is the Lord God Almighty. The earth is filled with your glory, with tears running down my face, trembling in a fetal position, underneath my blanket so nobody could see. And the next morning I woke up, and for